today I would like to show you how to use text editor. First of all, open the application and give the necessary permission. Allow text editor to access photos and videos on this device. If you want, you can choose allow limited access, allow all, don't allow. For this example, I'm allowing all. So this is the main screen of application. Here you can see the start button. And for the first time, if you don't have any text file, just click new file and enter a new file name on here. For this example, I am going to say example number 1 as a file name, and then file name extension will be txt, and then the file will be saved under storage, emulated, 0, documents, and the capital letters OBN. Actually, all of the files will be saved under this directory, OBN. You can easily move files after it. But now, I'm now clicking on Create Now. So the path is expanded here and showing you example1.txt. For this example, I'm creating an example text. And if you want, if you completed a task, for example, there is a completed thing, you can scroll down a little bit and click done, and it will say it's done. Or if it's cancelled, over here you can hit cancel, and then some other text. Even you can input your emojis with interesting emojis, or something else on the other pages, other emojis by default. And then you will see remove or arrange. For this example, I will arrange all of the text, which means if you have something done, it will be grouped here. If you have something cancelled, it will be also grouped here. So for this example, if I have more than one thing as a cancelled, as a mixed here, I can arrange them as done, and cancel. You can also do undo or redo. If you made a mistake, we have some buttons over here. And if you want to remove it, you just hit cancel and it will be cancelled. Now let's go to top right corner and save the file. It says file saved. And now I'm going to internal storage, documents, the folder OBN has been created, and then you will see the previous file text.txt and example1.txt. And then it's now asking me which type of document viewer that I would like to open with. You can also choose text editor here, but for the specific, I will go with HTML viewer just once. And you will see I'm now using my 2 fingers to zoom in, and all of the text appeared here. And now I can select all and copy, share, translate, web search, or ask ChatGPT if you wanted. And if you want to share your text file, you can also move, copy, share, delete, copy to clipboard, details, rename, compress, open with, open in new window, add to home screen, and move to secured folder. For this example, I'm now showing you the example1.txt is 178 bytes, and modified date, and the path can be seen. If you want to share, you will see the share button here. Let's go back to the application, and now I am clicking open file. Open file means if you have a text file already, you can open it. For example, previously I created a text file here. You see text.txt, and there was some text into it, and it received and passed it into the area. If you want to make a change, something to add, for example, and when you click save, it's also being saved. And now Let's go internal storage, documents, OBN and text.txt. For this example, I will go with Chrome just to specify you may want to use it this way. When you zoom in, you have your text file we seen over there. Alright, so this is our text editor application. On the top right corner, you can get help, bug report or feedback, privacy policy and about. When you click on about, you will see my name. Text editor is developing by Bay Yolal, and don't forget 5 stars. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed. Please check it out our other applications on obnapp.com. You will see all of the memory game, tab count, text editor with the previous versions if you need it, delivery text, hitchhiking text, Depre map as an earthquake application, and timer countdown with the necessary APK files and zip files you can directly download. And thank you.